Itu lagi.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, class. Good afternoon,
Good
students.
afternoon,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon, ma'am. How are you this afternoon?
I'm fine.
And
Thank you.
you? Thank you. Well, I hope you're a very great condition today. Saya harap Ibu harap kalian sangat baik-baik saja hari ini. Oke? Are you ready to learn English today?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Before we start our lesson today, I have a picture for you. Can you see it? Sudah bisa?
Sudah.
Okay. What is ini gambar apa? What is pictures?
Snow White.
Ada yang bisa menjawab?
Putri Salju, Bu. Cinderella, Bu.
Oh, the others? Cinderella. Okay. The title is the picture of Cinderella. Ini adalah gambar Cinderella. Have you ever read the story, Pak Dimas? Apakah Pak Dimas pernah membaca cerita tentang Cinderella?
Sudah, Bu.
Okay, what is the story about? Ceritanya tentang apa?
Love-lovean, Bu.
Kenapa?
Love-lovean.
About love. Bukan hanya tentang love ya, it's only not love for mother, love about her friend ya, jadi saling menyayangi. Kemudian, what kind of the text of Cinderella? Kita pernah belajar tentang
Mungkin
dongeng, Bu. Dongeng.
Oh.
Yes, that's good. It's about fairy tales. Okay, that's good. Ya. Ya, ini tadi sudah jawab ya. Next, fairy tale. Okay, that's good. Fairy tale. What do you know about fairy tale? Ada yang tahu fairy tale itu seperti apa? Bisa diceritakan lagi selain Cinderella? What do you know about the others fairy tales? Cerita lain tentang fairy tale, tentang dongeng. Apa sih yang kalian pernah tahu tentang dongeng itu?
Bawang putih, bawang merah, ma'am.
Okay, that's good. The others? Bu Agung Melinda? Can you?
Pernah menonton film, mem, tapi mem bukan membaca.
Okay, what kind of the movies about fairy tale?
Tinkerbell, mem.
Okay, Tinkerbell. Okay, ya. Okay, baik, semuanya berarti pernah mendengar atau membaca atau melihat cerita dari fairy tales atau cerita dongeng. Oke, fairy tales itu adalah termasuk dari naratif teks. Apa itu naratif teks? Narrative text is an imagined story to entertain the readers. Jadi, teks naratif itu adalah jenis teks dalam bahasa Inggris untuk menceritakan sesuatu cerita yang memiliki rangkaian peristiwa kronologis yang saling terhubung. Tujuannya untuk menghibur pembaca. Oke. Jadi itu yang dimaksud dari naratif teks. Terus apa? Fairy tale itu? Nah, fairy tale is story for children involving magical events and imaginary creatures. It means, jadi maksudnya adalah cerita untuk anak-anak yang situ melibatkan peristiwa magis dan makhluk imajiner seperti kurcaci, peri, malaikat, atau hewan yang bisa berbicara. Oke? Okay? You understand? Ngerti ya dari segi fairy tales itu apa?
Yes,
Yes,
Mom.
Nah, sekarang saya punya cerita tentang salah satu fairy tales yang tadi saya gambarnya sudah kalian tahu ya, about Cinderella. Oke, silakan saksikan videonya.
Beautiful girl whose name was Cinderella. She lived with her cruel stepmother and stepsisters, where she was treated as a servant and spent her days cleaning, tidying, and waiting, hand and foot. Despite their cruelty, Cinderella would always remember her mother's words: have courage and be kind. One day, an invitation to a royal ball arrived. The prince was looking for a bride, and everyone in the kingdom was invited. Her stepmother immediately ordered new gowns to be made for herself and her daughters. Cinderella worked day and night to prepare the new dresses in time. On the day of the ball, as they were preparing to leave, Cinderella came down the stairs in a dress she had made for herself. Her stepmother and stepsisters were so angry to see her looking so beautiful, they tore up the dress and left without her. Left alone, Cinderella began to cry when all of a sudden her fairy godmother appeared. "Do not cry, my child. You shall go to the ball," she said. "I do not have a dress to wear," cried Cinderella. Her fairy godmother waved her magic wand, and at once Cinderella's rags turned into a beautiful new ball gown. Then her fairy godmother found 6 mice playing in the pumpkin patch. She touched them with her magic wand, and the pumpkin turned into a beautiful coach, and the mice into 4 white horses and 2 coachmen. When everything was ready, Cinderella waved goodbye to her fairy godmother, who said, "The magic will only last until midnight. You must reach home by then." When she entered the ballroom, the guests were struck by her beauty, and her stepmother and stepsister did not know who she was. The prince asked Cinderella to dance, and she was overjoyed. The prince and Cinderella danced all evening until Cinderella noticed the clock approaching midnight, and she remembered her godmother's words. "I must go," she told the prince as she fled from the ballroom. As she ran down the steps of the palace, one of her glass slippers fell off, but Cinderella did not stop to pick it up. She returned home just as the clock struck 12. The coach turned back into a pumpkin. Her horses became mice, and she was wearing rags once more. Her stepmother and stepsisters arrived home shortly afterwards and were full of talk of the beautiful girl who had danced all night with the prince. The prince had fallen in love with Cinderella the moment he saw her, but but he did not even know her name. He picked up her glass slipper from the steps and declared, "I will marry the girl whose foot fits this slipper." The prince and his servants took the glass slipper to every house in the kingdom, but it did not fit any of the women who tried it on. Cinderella's stepsisters tried to squeeze their large feet into the dainty shoe, but the servant was afraid it might break. Cinderella's stepmother would not let her try on the slipper, but the prince said, "Wait, let her try it." The slipper fit Cinderella's foot perfectly, and the prince realized this was the beautiful girl he had danced with at the ball. The prince had found the girl he was looking for. They were married, and both lived happily ever after.
Oke, semoga kalian nggak ngantuk ya. Ini bukan dongeng untuk pengantar tidur. Karena ini jam siang, dan kita masih belajar tentang fairy tales. Oke? Can you hear me? Bisa mendengar saya? Oke, gimana ceritanya tadi? What about the story? What about story? Bagaimana ceritanya? Are you interested with the story? Interested with story?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you ever read the story or watch the story? Kalian pernah mendengarnya enggak sebelumnya?
Watching movie.
Watching movie. Okay. From YouTube or the others?
On TV.
On TV. Okay, that's good. Okay, I have a question for about the story. Jadi di sini saya ada pertanyaan setelah kalian menyimak atau menyaksikan video tadi. Saya ada pertanyaan di sini. What number one? Okay, look at who is the main character of the story? I'm sorry. Who is the main character of the story?
Cinderella.
Yes. Johanna?
Cinderella, ma'am?
Cinderella. Okay, that's good. That's good, Johanna. And number two, where did the story happen? Udalila?
Yes, ma'am.
Where did the story happen?
Ball, ma'am. Ballroom.
Okay, the others? Oh, yes? Okay, that's good. Maybe the others? Bu Ainun? Where did the story happen?
Cinderella's stepmother's house, ma'am.
Okay, that's good. Ya, jadi the ballroom or the Cinderella stepmother's house? Maybe. Okay, next. What happened to the main character according to the story? Ibu Ita?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What happened to the main character according to the story? Apa yang terjadi di dalam cerita tadi? Yang terjadi pada Cinderella?
Sepatunya Cinderella ketinggalan, ma'am.
Okay. The shoes. And what problem did the main character face? Maybe Ibu Ageng?
Masalah yang dihadapi ya, ma'am ya?
Yeah.
Yang masalah yang dihadapi Cinderella itu Dia tinggal sama ibu tiri dan saudaranya yang jahat, ma'am.
Okay, that's good. Tadi menyimak ya. And next, what did the main character do to solve the problem? Jadi setelah ada permasalahan tentang sepatunya ketinggalan, kemudian ibunya dengan ibu tirinya, dengan saudara tirinya. And what did the main character do to solve the problem? Jadi tadi yang bagaimana cara Cinderella untuk mengatasi masalahnya? Maybe Ibu Kurnia? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what did the main character do to solve the problem?
Apa ya, ma'am?
Okay, jelas. Bagaimana Cinderella mengatasi masalahnya tadi? Apa saya putarkan videonya lagi? Jelas? Yang terakhir? No?
Ya, ma'am. Lupa, ma'am.
Kurnia tidur itu, ma'am.
Ya? Oh.
Ngantukan, ma'am.
Saya, ma'am.
Yes. Cinderella. Okay.
Cinderella dibantu oleh peri, ma'am.
Okay, that's good. Okay. Give applause to Dalila. Okay, yeah. Who is the main character, the story, and where did the story is about orientation? Do you still remember about descriptive text? Masih ingat tentang descriptive text kelas 7 ya? Pelajaran kelas 7 dulu.
Yes, ma'am.
Oke, di situ ada struktur teksnya. Apa struktur teks dari descriptive text? Masih ingat? Do you still remember?
Identification, ma'am.
Identification and description. Okay, that's good. And dan di sini di fairy tale juga mempunyai struktur teks yaitu orientation yang di situ disebut sebagai pendahuluan berisi tentang siapa, kapan, dan di mana suatu cerita itu ditetapkan. Yang kedua yaitu complication, itu menceritakan awal masalah yang menyebabkan puncak masalah atau klimaksnya atau ketika cerita itu mulai klimaks. Yang selanjutnya, yang tiga, resolution. Bagian ini adalah akhir dari cerita atau solusi dari masalah yang terjadi. Jadi masalah yang dihadapi oleh Cinderella tadi. Oke. Next, ya general structure dari narrative text atau especially fairy tales, ada orientation, complication, resolution, and orientation. Yeah, do you understand? Any question?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Language feature of fairy tales. Nah, ada simple past tense. Biasanya diawali dengan effort of time, long time ago, once upon time. Jadi itu adalah ciri khas dari fairy tales. And next, contoh-contoh dari fairy tales. Ada Cinderella, Snow White, Pinocchio, and the others. Silakan nanti kalian cari di internet. Cari sebanyak-banyaknya tentang fairy tales. Apa saja fairy tales ya? Okay. Next, I want saya minta kalian untuk membuat beberapa grup ya. Di grup itu ada 4 atau 5 orang. I want to you 5 no, three groups. Okay. Ibu Mirta dan Ibu Yohana. Kemudian Ibu Ageng dan Ibu Dalila. Dan Ibu Ainun sama Bu Kurnia dan Pak Dimas. Oke, siapa yang belum bergabung nanti silakan bergabung di grup 1 dan 2. Untuk Nur Lailia bergabung di grup 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, are you ready to discuss? Okay, I have one story again. Saya punya satu lagi cerita. Nanti saya bagi ceritanya ada 3. Silakan nanti tiap grup saya find the generic structure. Jadi kalian mencari generic structure dari cerita tersebut. Setiap grup punya different stories. Jadi punya cerita yang berbeda. Group 1, Sweet Porridge, and Group 2, The Little Rabbit and the Turtle, and Group 3, The Frog Prince. Oke? Nah, dari cerita tadi, silakan kalian temukan generic structure dari cerita tersebut. Oke, saya kasih waktu 5 menit. Enough?
Cukup, ma'am.
Cukup ya? It's not difficult. Okay. Sweet porridge. Yes. Oke, time is over ya. Oke, waktunya sudah habis. Silakan dikumpulkan tugasnya. Saya minta untuk dikumpulkan ya. Have you finished, Pak Dimas? Your group, have you finished?
Sebentar lagi, ma'am.
Oke. 3 minutes. Okay, it is answer Sweet Porridge. Do you know Sweet Porridge? Do you ever read the story?
Iya, ma'am.
Oke, silakan Pak Dimas untuk membacakan hasilnya.
Baik, ma'am.
Ya.
Untuk yang orientationnya, in a village there lived a woman with her doctor. Di complicationnya, they were complication.
Okay, that's good.
They were very poor and hungry.
Yeah.
The poor doctor meets an old woman who gives her a pot that can cook porridge. Whenever the girl says, "Little pot, cook," it cooks up sweet porridge. Resolutionnya, the little girl arrives and says, "Little pot, stop," and saves the village. Dah, ma'am.
Okay, that's good. Thank you, Dimas. Oh, sebentar ya, masih di situ dulu. What about Bu Mita? Bagaimana dari grupnya Bu Mita? What about the answer of Dimas group? Bagaimana pendapatnya Bu Ita tentang jawaban dari Pak Dimas?
Sama, ma'am, dengan grup saya.
Okay. Orientation? Same?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, orientation. In village there live a woman with her daughter. Why? Kenapa orientation? Orientationnya in village there live a woman with her daughter. Why? Silakan, nggak apa-apa. Don't worry, don't worry. Apa tadi generic structure-nya? Orientation. Kenapa orientation? Orientationnya seperti itu.
Ma'am, karena
Oh ya.
itu menjelaskan tempat dan orangnya, ma'am.
Okay, that's good. Bagong. Okay, bagus sekali. Ya. Menjelaskan apa saja? Orangnya ya, orientation itu ada pendahuluan yang berisi kapan, di mana, yang memperkenalkan orientation. And the next complication. What about Bu Yohana's group? Bagaimana grupnya Bu Yohana tentang jawaban Pak Dimas? They were very poor.
Saya satu grup sama Mbak Ita. Mbak Ita.
Sama. Oke, ya. Yang complication. Sekarang complication.
Setuju, ma'am.
Ya? Setuju? Do you agree with the complication?
Iya, ma'am.
Oke, barangkali ada jawaban lain? Kenapa complication-nya seperti itu? Kenapa? Why? Why? Kenapa? Masih ingat tadi di penjelasan awal? Complication. Complication itu menceritakan awal masalah atau penyebab puncak masalah. Oke. Don't worry, Wihana. Oke, thank you. And the resolution. What about Bu Ainun group?
Segrup sama Pak Dimas, Bu.
Sama dengan Pak Dimas. The others? Okay, why your answer, the resolution is the little girl arrives and says, little pot, stop and save the village. Why?
Tadi kan banjir tuh, Mam. Si mamanya tadi tuh nggak tahu caranya memperhatikan biar nggak masak terus sih. Pancinya tadi tuh, Mam. Baru sih yang anaknya tadi yang ingat dan bisa memberhentikan biar nggak masak-masak terus si panci tadi. Resolusi solvingnya seperti itu.
Okay, yes, that's good. Ya, silakan Pak Dimas, silakan duduk kembali.
Maaf, Ibu.
Ya, thank you sudah mempresentasikan jawabannya, sudah membacakan jawabannya hari ini. Next, I will choose. Nah, the Frog Prince. Siapa tadi yang dapat cerita Frog Prince? Ibu Nurlailia? Ibu Nurlailia?
Ibu.
Yeah. What is in orientation? Apa orientation dari Frog Prince?
Orientasinya itu ada di paragraf pertama. A pretty princess mistakenly drops her golden ball into a pond.
Okay, that's good.
Okay.
In the pond. Okay. And Bu Dalila? Can you hear me? What the complication of the Frog Prince?
The com
Yes, Bu Dalila?
okay, ma'am. The complication is the reluctant princess agrees to the deal, and the frog goes with her to the palace. Is it right, ma'am?
Okay, okay, that's right. Okay. And resolution. Bu Ita? I'm sorry, you again? But it's the resolution The Frog Prince. Apa resolusi dari cerita The Frog Prince?
Yes, ma'am.
Ya? Oke. Silakan.
The prince kisses him unwillingly,
I'm sorry.
but when that is done,
Oke, oke. Nah, itu tadi cerita orientation struktur teks dari beberapa cerita. Ada Sweet Prince, ada Cinderella, ada juga The Frog Prince. Ya, dari situ kita bisa menentukan atau membandingkan struktur teks setiap cerita dari fairy tales. Oke. Any question for the lesson today? Ada pertanyaan dari pembelajaran kita hari ini?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Do you understand about reorientation?
Insya Allah,
Ada
yes.
pertanyaan tentang reorientation?
Insyaallah, ma'am.
Oke, bisa membedakan reorientation, complication, orientation, complication, resolution.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now for the lesson today, we have what have you learned today? Apa yang kita pelajari dari pembelajaran hari ini?
Fairy tales.
Betul, ma'am.
Fairy tales. Okay, what about the story Cinderella? Apa yang kalian bisa ambil dari cerita Cinderella?
Stay be kind, ma'am. Tetap jadi orang yang baik, ma'am.
Okay, that's good. Okay, it's very good. The others? What about you, Ibu Kurnia?
Yes, ma'am.
What about you?
Dari Cinderella ya, ma'am ya?
Yes, that's Cinderella story.
Sama, ma'am. Kita harus jadi orang baik walaupun teraniaya, ma'am.
Okay. What about you, Ibu Yohana?
Memaafkan kesalahan, ma'am.
Kesalahannya siapa, Bu Yohana?
Kesalahan Ibu Tiri sama saudara Tiri. Sudah jahat tapi dimaafkan. Kesalahan.
What about you, Ibu Ageng? About the story, Cinderella story? Tentang
Pesan moralnya ya, ma'am.
Yes.
Pesan moralnya, kalau orang sabar, jodohnya ganteng, ma'am.
Oke. Ya, Cinderella tadi ketemu jodohnya yang baik, the prince, pangeran yang tampan ya. What about the frog prince? Ya, kalau ceritanya sweet porridge, sweet porridge. What about you? About Budalila? Sweet porridge?
The moral value, ma'am?
Yes, the moral value.
Jangan jadi orang rakus nih.
Okay, that's good. Jangan jadi orang rakus, don't greedy, okay? Okay, I think enough for today. I hope you can learn about fairy tales. Saya harap kalian bisa memahami tentang fairy tales. What about a narrative text and the kind of narrative text and the generic structure about fairy tales. Okay? Thank you very much for today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you Bu Sofi.